51, that is Rowdy Kyle Rush. And inside row 3 in the 70X car, that is Tyler Deshane, nicknamed Bubba. And outside of Bubba, in the 5 car, that is Eric Pearson.
Yep.
As the lights on the car corner pace car go out, we are going racing this next time by. As the Bandits are going to go 6 laps also in this Colin Metals Fast Dash. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's the birthday boy, Sean Bauer, out front.
Sean Bauer with the nickname Breakout because he's broke out more than any other Bandit driver here at the Rockford Speedway. Bandit Breakout means you cannot go faster than 16.400 in this division. So they'll be watching them as they go by.
16.408 for Sean Bauer on that first lap. Rich Schinderling in that 78 helping him out a lot as he's in second. Kyle Rush in third. Eric Pearson in fourth. Tyler Deshane in fifth. And a 19X of Ronnie Osborne rounding off your top 6.
Yeah, Rich Schinderling definitely trying to psych out Bauer as this division will do that. The second place car will try to put pressure on the first place car to get him to go faster and try to get him to break out. Then the second place car, well, they broke out again. So Sean Breakout Bauer breaks out.
And
we have a new leader.
And Rich Schinderling. Sean Bauer at a 16.373. Rich Schinderling at a 16.377. Kyle Rush. Do I see a 16.383 for Kyle Rush?
Yeah, I wonder if, because if it was a birthday, they'd give him a one-lap grace period. But I guess not for their birthday boys. So Kyle Rush is going to bring them around. Here comes Eric Pearson to challenge Rush for the lead. Tyler Deshane in that 70X car looking for something to happen here. What's going to happen this time around? We got white flag. We got a battle for the lead.
And it's going to be Kyle Rush and Eric Pearson out there with the battle. Tyler Deshane in third. Ronnie Osborne in fourth. But Pearson and Rush, nose to nose, door to door they go.
And it's going to be the 5 car winning that race
Of Eric Pearson. Kyle Rush in second. Ron Osborne in third. Tyler Deshane in fourth.
So breakout, definitely important rule here. It's like I said, it's like a chess game. To go ahead and try to psych out your opponent, to go ahead and make them go a little faster. And then if they catch them on the clock and they break out, then they get that black flag. As you saw, there were 2 drivers that got black flagged in that race. So how about that for the Bandit Dash to start with? 25's birthday today, got the breakout. He actually leads all Bandits in breakouts. That's why he's got the nickname Breakout.
1 feature win, 5 heats. His 3rd dash win, No Limit Motorsports, Best Bet Auto Repair, Ultimate Karaoke, and DJ Entertainment. Prime sponsors for the 1993 Acura Integra. And the Beloit, Wisconsin native is going to make his way out of the car. Let's give it up for the number 5 of Eric Pearson.